A nurse practitioner with Huntsville Hospital Urgent Care told Way 31 today that all 5 centers have recently seen an uptick in the number of people who want to be tested for coronavirus, and more of those tests are coming back positive. Dr. David Ansardi, biology chair at Calhoun Community College, joins us now to talk more about the virus and its impact on our community. Thank you so much for being with us tonight.
Oh, thank you.
We know it can take up to 2 weeks to show symptoms of the coronavirus, but do we know how soon after exposure to the virus a person can receive a positive test result?
That could vary from person to person because even though the test is really sensitive, it uses a technology where you can detect the virus, even if it's there in really low amounts. You know, how soon after you've been exposed you could come up with a positive test result is probably going to vary from person to person. So it could be within a couple of days for some people, or it could take several days for others.
What is your message to younger people who aren't concerned whether they get the coronavirus?
You know, even if you are younger, and it would be very unlikely for you to develop a severe case of COVID, you know, you have to keep in mind if you get it, you know, even if you don't have symptoms, you know, there's a chance that you could spread it to somebody else who could have a really severe case of it.
As the number of hospitalizations also increases, what are you hearing from your former students who currently work in hospitals?
I have so many former students who work in healthcare, nurses, and in other healthcare professions, and think about them and what they're going through. The more this spreads around, the more people we have in the hospitals and in the intensive care units, and they're working so hard and they're so dedicated, and you know, they're just becoming exhausted and emotionally drained from having to deal with this pandemic. So think about them as well and what they're going through when we as a community just kind of recklessly spread this virus around.
Any other message you would like to share with us tonight?
Have compassion for other people in the community who are at a higher risk for developing severe COVID and who could potentially have to be hospitalized or could even die from it, and use good common sense, good hygiene, wear masks when you're around other people, maintain those safe distances, and just keep hoping and praying that we get good treatments and an effective and safe vaccine, you know, as quickly as we safely can.
Dr. David Ansardi, biology chair at Calhoun Community College, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.